TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials right now are down 28. You get the NASDAQ down 2. S&Ps are off 4.5. Gold contracts is down 520, trading at 11.85. We have silver down 12 cents at $16.38 an ounce. Oil's down 84 cents at $60.10 a barrel. Bond market, we have the 10-year up 6 ticks, 127.09. 30-year up a full point and 4 ticks at 155.14. Now, bonds, folks, both the 10-year and the 30-year have rejected lower price. They're going to have monster volume, however. So you're going to have a low swing point, huge volume. I do expect that the bond market's going to continue to bounce out here today. King dollar. King dollar's up 510 ticks at 94.68. That also broke down yesterday, huge volume. Euro is down 72, trading at 112.75, and the yen is down 17 at 119.30. Now, if we go over to the S&Ps and take a look at the S&Ps, and we're going to take a look at the E-minis first. Now, when you take a look at them, what you're going to see is that the price spread that we've had out here this morning is pretty dramatic inside the E-minis. We've gone from 2057. We're at 2070 right now. What I expect you're going to see out here is this. I expect you're going to get to about 2084 out here. And what 2084 is this. The first thrust up this morning got you to 2078. The 2084, folks, is where we broke down yesterday from, and it's monster volume. That is ice. That's the setup in ice. That would be a sweet little space with light volume in order to basically sell into this market. The surprises in this market are going to be all to the downside. That's on your S&P. You take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the 3 Qs? We're at 106.89 right now. The 3 Qs can basically bounce up to somewhere around 107.53. Bonds. The bond market, folks, is screaming. And what the bond market is saying, we're going to get a huge amount of information off the bond market today, and this is what it is. I do expect you're going to see a bounce. The low today was 126.13. We're at 127.10. That low was going into the March 6th low. March 6th, we were at 125.29. We've already done 1.2 million contracts in the 10-year. That's unbelievable, okay? So what do? First off, you're going to get a bounce. You have a lower low with volume. That means you're going to go back to it. I suspect we're going to probably bounce somewhere up to about 128.03. And what you're going to be looking for, not today, but tomorrow, you're going to be looking for the expansion as we get to higher price tomorrow. You're going to be looking for contraction in volume. You get that contraction in volume, what that would be doing is setting up a monster ABC structure on the way down. The 30-year. The 30-year is at 155.15. The low that was established on March 6th was 154.27. So what you've done thus far is this. You've broken it. And the amazing part is that it's really hard to break this baby with volume because there was so much volume on the 6th. There was 385,000. But it looks like we're going to break it today with volume. We're already done 195,000. Now let's go to King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? What we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar broke down yesterday with big volume. We did we did 77,000 contracts. Today we're going to do about maybe 50, maybe 60,000. So you get a bounce on lighter volume. When you tie it all together, what you can expect is this. You can expect an anemic bounce. S&P futures go to about 2084. At 2084, I figure it's history. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they just recently unveiled the new 5-year market-safe Future Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until May 7th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the Future Economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all the upside. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you still get back 100% of your deposited principal. Intrigued yet? The May 7th funding deadline is quickly approaching, so hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.